Hey everyone, I'm about to do laundry and I know it's kind of weird to videotape it, but I really just want to remember my little washing machine because it's so cute and it makes the cutest noises, so let's go do laundry. Here it is, our little washing machine. It's in Japanese and I'm just gonna do a load. Just press this button. Yay! I love that noise. And then this one. And it's just going to do its thing and measure how heavy it is. Okay. Now, I'm going to put the laundry detergent in there, but I can't do it with one hand, so be right back. Okay, laundry detergent and fabric softener in. Next, close the lid. And it goes! Yay!